Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Foodpanda Voucher cannot be used. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Why this error happens is most common is voucher can be expired, minimum order value not made, validate selected restaurants, and payment method restrictions. In order to fix it, simply head over and open up your Foodpanda application and log into your account. Once logged into your account, from your home screen, tap on the account icon on the bottom right. And once you're inside here, select vouchers. Then once you're inside the vouchers, select the selected voucher and then tap on terms and conditions right here. Now with the minimum order delivery fee upfront excluded, eligible restaurants, payment method, expiry date, and most failures are due to minimum order not made. Then next is increase cart value. To do it, simply head over back to your home, then simply select the food items that you want to add to cart. Then once done, simply select it and then tap on add to cart, and then once done, simply tap on video cart on the bottom of your screen and then add items until you cross the minimum order amount. Next is a packaging may not count, and tip is to add a low price add-on instead of extra quantity. The next is to check restaurant eligibility. Many vouchers work only on selected restaurants. If it says not applicable for this restaurant, simply switch restaurants, and Foodpanda exclusive partners usually work best. The next method that you can try is to change payment method. To do it, simply head over back to your home screen and then tap on the accounts option, and here under accounts, simply tap on Panda Pay. Then simply scroll down, and under here you'll find the save payments. Now what you need to do is some vouchers work only with specific payments like wallet, which is Panda Pay, credit or debit card, and cash on delivery is often excluded. What you need to do is change payment at the checkout and retry, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you, and see you soon on the next one.